Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is take a center section down the middle of the back, which you can see I've already done, and then I've got two A-line sections on both sides, combing that section down and cutting in the guide, which is the outline for the rest of the haircut. So, I'm going to establish the new length, then we are going to address the layering after. You can see I'm taking another A-line section, combing that section down, using the section below that, the one I already cut, as the guide to know how short to cut this section. I'm going to work my way up the head, cut the length on the left side. Once that's done, we will address the length on the right side and then the layering. Alright, so now that the left side is all done, we are going to do the right side. And I've got another A-line section combing this hair down, basically cutting the outline on the right side. Once we complete cutting the outline on the right side, we will address the layering, and then we'll be pretty much done. Alright, so now it's time to cut the layers. You can see I'm pulling the hair straight back. I've got a center section in the back, which I'm directing straight back and cutting in that layer. I'm going to work my way around the head, basically over-directing each section to the previous section and cutting in those layers. So, I'm going to address the layers on the left side first, then we will address the layers on the right side. Okay, so now that we've got the layering done on the left side, it is now time to do the layering on the right side, combing that hair straight back. Actually, I'm over-directing slightly to the previous section, and then I'm cutting the current layers to match the previous section layers. So now it is time to cut the bangs. You can see I'm holding the bangs in my comb, and right there kind of just freehanding. And now I'm combing the hair up and just layering through the bangs. So I want to lighten up the bangs so they're not so blunt, not so heavy. So I'm just going through and layering them up. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this layered bob haircut. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Check out those layers right there. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.